Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash from my Twitter next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. Gold steady as market awaits more US data. Gold trading lower despite a weakening dollar. So this is the ongoing market sentiment, and we can see that market is mostly waiting for the upcoming NFP. Yes, this week is special because of the NFP. So we can expect that market to remain like this for the next 2-3 days or till next Friday. For example, we can see right now that market went down, market is showing good spikes here. So we can expect these spikes to continue till Friday. So do not go for tight stop losses. Tight stop losses can be dangerous. And if you look at the economy calendar, we can see we have ISM PMI coming up. So do not expect big moves in the market. Yes, there will be spikes in the market, but trend reversal, no, it's not happening tonight. We also have FOMC coming up, but the thing is that before NFP, any news doesn't have the strength usually to change the direction of the market. After NFP, if the trend of the market changes, we can expect the trend of the market to continue. But before that, if any uh, big moves come in the market, then it will just be temporary move. So if you're a day trader, yes, you can go with the flow and expect to make some quick profit, but otherwise do not try to hold a trade after the news. That can be very dangerous. For example, during the today's US session, if you see that there is a sudden downside in the market, do not expect the downside to continue for the next 4 or 5 days. No, it is not going to happen. After NFP, yes, possible, but before NFP, no. So treat the market like this only, and again I'm repeating, do not go for tight stop losses because it may not work. And if you look at the trend of the market here, then obviously the trend of the market is not very clear to us. For example, if you look at the weekly chart of gold, this week also we can see the market is an indecision. Market is from a doji. Okay, and formation of doji signifies that market is an indecision. If you look at a daily chart, okay, we can see on a daily chart market is slow and market is a little bit confused. In our previous video, we discussed about market forming lower highs. So formation of lower highs usually indicate that the strength of the sellers are increasing. So in the next few days, if there is a drop also in the market, don't be surprised. Because if you look at the contracts data also, you can see around 2700 we have good number of contracts standing. Okay, so it is a good resistance. If we look at 2750, there also we have good number of contracts standing. But if we look at the downside, then the picture is very much clear to us that the strength is not very good. For example, this is the support of 2600. You can see the number of contracts are quite low in comparison to the resistances. So if gold falls after NFP, before NFP, if there's an accident also, don't be surprised, because already we can see that market is indicating that there is a possibility of a downside. Yes, and before NFP, chances of market going or breaking 2700 is very less. So I don't think so market have the strength right now to break 2700 as of now. And before NFP, obviously it will be better for us to stick to the levels, because the trend of the market is changing fast for the day traders. And if you're a swing trader, position trader, then obviously you should wait for the NFP. After NFP, if market takes a direction, then you should jump in. Before NFP, it's a big no. So in a previous video, we discussed about the big buy zone around 2580, 2600. So remember, yeah, that buy zone is still very much valid, but it's a huge zone. Okay, so during the day, if market falls, we can look for a first buy around 2602 to 2600. This is our first level where we can look for a buy because of previous support around this area. Keep in mind, if market comes down to this level, it will just be a day trade, not a swing trade. The second buy opportunity on the chart of gold is around 25900 to 2587, and then 2583, 2580. These are the three levels where we can look for a buy position as a day trader only. No swing trade, no positional trade before the NFP. but still the contracts data or the daily chart is indicating of a possible downside. So if market comes down to this level, we can go for a buy position, but no level is permanent. So my dear friends, do not gamble. If you see market is coming down, selling pressure is high, observe the market. If you see market is showing price ejection from below, if you see the market is trying to hold the level for 1 to 2 minutes, then only go for a buy position. Do not trade blindly. There's a thin line between trading and gambling, so do not make the mistake. And yesterday I discovered that market is following this trend line. To be honest, I'm not a big fan of trend line. Okay. But yes, we cannot deny that market is following this trend line as of now. So if you want to go for a sell below 2620, 2618 area, that's your personal choice. But I would love to go for a buy around these three areas only: 2600, 2602, 259087 and 258380 if market takes support. But again, I'm repeating, if you want to go for a sell below this particular level or when market will break the trend line, you can go for it. But all are day trades only. And if market goes up from here, then in the situation, I don't think so market have the strength and potential to break 2700 as of now. If market goes also, we can look for a good sell opportunity around this area. But before 2700, we have a good selling opportunity around 2675 to 72. I think we have discussed about 72, 73 area in our previous videos. Okay, why are we considering this area? Because of FIBO here. We can see overall, okay, overall the FIBO 0.382 did a fine job. 50 was confused. Okay, so we are expecting at least 0.782 618 to work. 618 is a golden ratio. So if market shows reversal from above, okay, we can look for a sell around this area 672 to 75 zone. Okay, and moreover, we can see that we also have a quick selling opportunity, especially for scalping purpose around 54 area. Why? Because when we are considering FIBO only, here we can see that around 2654, 2655 we have FIBO 78.6% retracement level. So as a scalper, you can look for 40 to 50 pips sell around this area as well. So if you have any ongoing position in the market right now, you can hold because market is choppy. And if you're looking for fresh position, then stick to the levels. Swing traders, position traders, okay, stay away because we do not have a clear direction in the market right now. If market goes down, we can look for buy down 260002. 259087, 258380. These are the three levels where we can look for a buy if market takes support. Yes, do not trade blind because there is a fall possible. And if market breaks 2620, if the fall is good enough, you can look for a sell as well. Riskier position. If you're a beginner, new trader, you can skip that as well. On the other hand, if market goes up, if the volume of the market is not very high, day traders, you can look for a sell around 54, 55 area, around this area. If you see that there's a sudden change in the market, okay, you are unable to predict what is going on, then just leave it. Wait for NFP. Because already we have discussed plenty of times that this time is not the ideal time to trade, okay, especially after the new year. Okay, after the second week of Jan, first week of Jan, usually things settle. Okay, let the market settle first. And if market goes and hits 267 to 75 area, observe the market. If market shows price rejection from above, we can look for a sell as well. Okay, so that's all from my side, my friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.